Hi everyone, welcome back to Quickdevcode. Have you ever wondered what happened behind the scene when you run a SQL query? In today's video, we will break down the internal working of a SQL query step by step, from the moment you hit to the final result you can see on screen. Let's get started. First one is a client sends query. It all began when the client application sent a SQL query to the database engine. This query could be a select, insert, update or delete, basically any database operation. Second one is a parser stage. The parser breaks the query into small parts called token and check your syntax error, just like a compiler checks programming code. If the query syntax is incorrect, it is stopped right now here with an error. Third one is a binder stage. It checks whether the table name, column name and data types used in the query actually exist in the database or not. This ensure that your query is pointing to valid database object. Fourth one is the optimizer stage. Now comes the most intelligent part, the query optimizer. It generates the most efficient execution plan based on available indexes, table size, query structure. Its goal is to reduce the cost and improve performance. Fifth one is the execution plan case. Before executing the query, the engine checks the execution plan case. If the same query has been run before, it reuses the accept execution plan. If not, it creates a new one and store in the case for the next time. Sixth one is execution and result retrieval. Now the query is executed using the chosen plan. The engine performs all the required operation like reading data, joining table, filtering rows or storing records. Finally, it sends the result back to the client of application. So that's how SQL queries proceed internally from parsing and binding to optimization and execution. Knowing this workflow help you write better, faster or more efficient queries.